The challenge? In prepping for a sale of their business, our client needed to fully understand the pro forma adjusted EBITDA on which the valuation would be based.
Their investment bankers had suggested a value, and they wanted to support the value that the investment bankers had projected.
And time was especially tight.
All my clients would tell you, time kills deals. We were asked to perform a sell-side quality earnings report, and they wanted the EBITDA to support the value that the investment bankers had projected.
Was the banker's price accurate? That quality of earnings analysis was needed now.
There's no time for learning curve.
Kroll's operations experts went to work, scouring the seller's business. Turns out there was ample room for improvement.
We realized that the company's manufacturing floor operations were, to put it mildly, in the dark ages.
Kroll's solution? A plan to bring the company out of the dark ages with major improvements. The business case and return on investment to automate manufacturing and operations was developed. A roadmap to implement those changes was defined and accelerated. New equipment purchased and implementation launched. Absenteeism recognized as a problem and addressed. Order fulfillment errors were reduced, driving up production capacity, reducing inefficiencies, and streamlining operations.
We listened, we reviewed, we analyzed. I like to think of us as doctors for businesses.
The impact? Our clients sold their business for 30% more than anticipated. Buyers realized the real value of our client's business and paid accordingly.
The client was able to sell the business for 30% more than the investment bank had projected at the high end of their range. A fantastic solution that they were able to take all the way to the bank.
Discover our integrated capabilities. Ray and Kurt's client did.
They mentioned Kroll lifts the fog surrounding a transaction. I'm Ray Newman, and I help clients stay ahead with Kroll.